Alright, hey guys, and welcome back. So if you are new, welcome, and it is so good to have you, and I hope you'll consider subscribing before you leave. So today is just a Dollar General haul. This is for the 5 off 25. If you watched my breakdown video I posted last night, that is what I've done. Now, some products rang up cheaper in my store than what I had in mind, so I did have to add a couple extra things on the fly. I didn't have coupons. I did have a problem with one digital I'm going to talk to you guys about, but I still think I got an excellent deal. So the first thing I picked up was this Gain. It is the Botanicals, and it is the new one. It is the white tea and lavender. It's plant-based. My son was with me, and he loves anything lavender, so we grabbed that, and it was priced at $5. And we had that $2 off digital. That came off no problem. Then I picked up the Gain fabric softener. It is the 48 loads. It is what the coupon says. And then the Moonlight Breeze. And then it was $4.50. Yes, that was $4.50. And then we had the $2 off coupon. Now, this is the coupon that I had trouble with. It is the Downy Fresh Protect. It is the beads, the scent boosters, as you guys can see. It was $4.50, and we were supposed to have a $2 off Downy or Flings. Me and my son smelled all of them, and we really wanted to try this one, so I did pick this one up. If you guys know why my coupon didn't come off, if you don't mind, drop a comment down below and tell me. And then I picked up the Always Discreet liners, and they were priced at $3, and we had that $2 off digital, and this is the 24 count. So the dryer sheets, they were supposed to be on sale for $6.95. I'm pretty sure it's what the paper said. You guys correct me if I'm wrong, please do. So they're the 105 sheets, and they actually rang up for $4.50 at my store, so that was a great deal. And then we had the $2 off coupon. It came off with no problem. Then I picked up the Renews It again in lavender. So that is what my breakdown was. And it was supposed to come out to like $25.31. I really think it was. And then after I typed in my phone number, it was supposed to be $11.88 before taxes. But when she added everything up, it was like 20 bucks. So I needed to spend $5 more to get me over that 25. So I already had this in my cart. I had this stuff in my cart. I was just going to buy it after I got done with this transaction. So I just went ahead and added it. It is the Monster Energy Drink. Guys, this is my mom fuel. I have to have it. Then I picked up the Now and Laters. It is the long-lasting original mixed fruit chews. Again, guys, I did not have coupons for this extra stuff. The Jolly Rancher hard candy, and then the Sweet Smiles. So for everything, and keep in mind, guys, this alone was supposed to be $11.88. So for everything, I only paid $12.97 out of pocket, which I thought was excellent, and that is with taxes. So yes, I thought this was a pretty good deal, even though it didn't go perfect, but we know as couponers, not everything does go perfect. So guys, thank you so much for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.